Simple grab and go breakfast ideas made in your air fryer coming right up. With 7 of us still at home, it can feel like I'm in the kitchen all morning long. My hubby and kids are leaving the house in shifts anywhere from 6:30 to 9 a.m. But with a little planning ahead, I can provide them with a hot and hearty breakfast that they can just grab and go. I've got 5 ideas for you. You ready? Let's go. I'm gonna show you a few things you can do the night before to speed up those mornings. And keep it simple. You can do this while you're making dinner. I've got these sausage strips from Johnsonville that I'm gonna cook up ahead of time. This is not bacon, y'all. I am loving these sausage strips because they cook up so nicely. There's no shrinkage. They don't make my air fryer smoke. And they taste so good. I'm sure you've seen Johnsonville products in your local grocery store. They are a family-owned company. They've been in business since 1945. And a special thank you to Johnsonville for sponsoring today's video. I mean, just look at how great these whip up in the air fryer. You can cook these up in about 5 or 6 minutes at 400 degrees. And look, there's like hardly any grease drippings. And if you happen to have leftovers, they reheat so nicely. So your first grab and go idea, I've just got a frozen piece of healthy bread here. I'm gonna pop it right in my air fryer, give it just a tiny little mist, and toast it up 380 for 3 minutes. Just use a spoon and scoop some avocado into a bowl. Mush it up with a fork. Throw in just a tiny bit of lime juice. Lemon juice will work as well. Toast is perfect. Spread on some avocado. Top with some garden fresh tomatoes. And then throw on your sausage strips. That is my kind of breakfast. Idea number 2, crunchy breakfast tortilla wrap. You can make up these eggs the night before or the morning of. Cook it up in your frying pan. You basically just want like 4 big chunks of scrambled eggs. Cut up some of your sausage strips, then get a flour tortilla and just cut it right there from the middle out to the edge. Then place a portion of your eggs on 1/4, then some of the sausage on the next quarter, then a little pico or salsa, and some cheese. Now you're gonna fold again, and one more time. Now it's ready for the air fryer. Give it a little spray, and then you're gonna cook it at 370 for about 5 minutes. This is one of those that the kids can come make for themselves too. And whoop, there it is. Crunchy breakfast tortilla wrap. Breakfast crunch wrap. I've only got one to taste test, so who gets the first bite?
Me. No matter.
Birthday girl, birthday girl. Crunch. You like that? I'm gonna try a bite. You want more? Like it?
I want more.
Mmm.
But I'll give it a 4.
5 for me. That's so good. Crunch wrap for the win. Idea number 3, you can turn these sausage strips into these cute little muffin cups. You need 1 sausage strip for each one of these little cups. Cut it in half lengthwise and then cut it off from about 1/3 at the end. Get a silicone muffin cup, place one of the longer strips right inside of it, and then layer up the strips inside so they make a little cup. When the cups are fully lined, place them in the air fryer basket and throw a few little bread cubes in each little cup. Someone wants some breakfast. Then just crack an egg right inside each little cup. It fits perfectly. And the beautiful thing about this is the sausage strips are already cooked, so you're really just reheating them. Throw on some sea salt and a little pepper, and you're gonna pop these in the air fryer. Cook these up at 340 for about 12 minutes. By the way, Johnsonville actually has 4 different flavors of their sausage strips. They also have some spicy ones and chorizo flavored. I just stuck with the original and the maple flavored because, you know, I'm a little bit of a baby when it comes to spiciness. Check out the different flavors because you can easily change the flavor profile on any of these ideas. And ta-da! There they are. And look how nicely these pop right out of those silicone cups. Let's test these out. 1 for the birthday girl, 1 for the little lady. Wow, you're quick.
5 out of 5.
5? 5. 5. There we go. Idea number 4, Hashbrown Veggie and Egg Cups. This time for the base, we're gonna use these simply potatoes. Place them in your silicone muffin cups and then just use a spoon or, hey, your fingers will work too. And you're gonna make a little nest with the hash browns. Place those inside your air fryer basket and just give them a light spray. Go ahead and cook these up at 370 for about 6 minutes till they get a little toasty. Now that those are a little toasty, drop in some of those sausage strips that you cut up, and the kids can throw in whatever veggies they like, or just leave those out if you want. You could even throw some cheese in there, then mix up some eggs and milk so it's nice and combined, and then carefully just pour in some eggs. These will puff up when they cook. If you want to, you could just do a whole egg like we did with the sausage muffins. Then pop those in the air fryer. And you're gonna cook it at 350 for about 10 minutes. And they are done. And those eggs are gonna shrink down as they cool. Testing the hash brown and veggie cups now.
I'd say 3.
4.
2, 3, 4.
I like the stronger sausage taste in these, and I can tell you do too. I did number 5, grab and go Sandos. Something else you can do with these extra eggs, get an English muffin or a nice piece of bread, place the eggs on, and of course your sausage strips and some cheese. Layer it all up, butter both sides of the bread, place it in the air fryer, close it up, and you're gonna cook it at 360 for, let's go with 4 minutes. And there we go. You might need to flip it and cook up the other side for just a minute or 2 more. And done. See what the teenage boy thinks. 5 stars?
5 star.
5 stars. Head over to Johnsonville.com for more ideas and information about sausage strips. You're gonna find these in your local grocery store right near the bacon. And let me know how much you love these and what kind of ideas you come up with. I have more air fryer recipes for you right here. And I think you're gonna like this one as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.